Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine, safe and sound. I am here with you with your English for today. So, welcome to my class. What can you see? You can see a large plane and the plane is flying in the sky. Can you guess? Where is it? Where is the plane now? At the airport. Can you guess? What is our topic today? Our today's topic is at the airport. Objective and learning outcomes of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, write answer to questions, write a short composition, infer the meaning from the text. So dear students, let's read the text, and while reading you will underline the difficult words and the important words. I will give you the meaning and I will give you the explanation of the words, what you will find out at the time of your reading. In the meantime, I am giving you some questions. Number 1, by which airline are they traveling? Number 2, what are they planning? And in your text, there are some questions also. After reading the text, you will answer these questions and you will write the questions on your copy. When you will go to your real classroom, you will show these answers, these writings to your subject teacher. Your subject teacher will check your writings. While reading, you have found some difficult word. Where is the meaning and where is the picture of these words? Look at the screen. Board a plane. Have you ever boarded a plane? If you have boarded a plane, you practically have seen and you have practically done this job. If you have not yet boarded a plane, have a look how to board a plane. Board a plane means take in a plane. Look at the picture. Some passengers are checking in the plane. Look at the picture. This is the lounge at the airport. They are waiting in the lounge at the airport. Who are they? They are waiting for their plane. They are traveling to another country from their native. Lounge means lobby, a large public room for waiting. Immigration. Have a look in the picture. 2 persons you can see. Can you guess what are they doing here? What is she doing and what is he doing? Have a look. The man is going through the immigration. What can you see in the picture? Talk about the picture according to the following questions. According to these questions, look at your EFT. You will find the questions here. Now let's see what is the preparation for going abroad. What is this? You know it. This is a passport, this is a visa, this is a declaration form, and this is an airport, this is immigration. On the way while traveling, what the person do? Let's see. Boarding the plane, having seat, then plane flies. Air hostess service, view from the window. Now this work for you, okay? Same thing like before, you will write the composition and you will show it to your subject teacher. Now imagine you are going to make a journey by train to go to your grandparents' house. Write your homework. Think you are going to travel to your grandparents' house by a train. Now write a short composition about your preparation before traveling and your experience on the way. Dear students, you have read about at the airport. At the airport, what do the passengers do? Now, you will read more about the tasks the passengers have to do. Now, you will go to lesson 2. In the lesson 2, you will see how to fill in a form. In your textbook, you can see a picture, and in the picture, you can see a form. What will the passengers, Mita, Zara and their parents will show to the immigration officer. Here you can see the passport. You have seen the passport. Now read the text about Mita's passport and visa. In the text you will read Mita got a passport, Mita got a visa, about their validity. So let's read the text. During your reading, I am writing some words here. Passport, passport, passport is a travel permit. Travel permit. And it is a travel document. Travel document. In the previous lesson, you have seen the passport. And another word is valid. And textual meaning is effective. Look at the board. I have written for you. You can note down passport and valid. I'm rubbing the board. I'll write another words. You will find a word expire. Expire. Expire means come to an end. Come to an end. A passport's validity is 5 years, and Mita also got a 5 years valid passport. And while filling in the form, the passengers have to write their passport number, the passport's entry date, and the expiry date of passport. A passenger also has to write his or her visa number. Mita got a tourist visa. Remember, here is an important information for all. With a tourist visa, none is allowed to stay abroad for long time, and none is allowed to work anywhere. Complete reading the text and you can share how can you fill in a form when you will go abroad. You can make a mock form or you can download a form from the internet and then you can fill in the form. In this way, you will have a practice of filling in a form when you go abroad. So, now answer my questions. My question is, how long is Mitha's visa valid for? You know the answer, 3 months. As she got a tourist visa, her visa is valid for 3 months. I am reminding you to keep neat and clean.